In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add logo in Framer. Let's walk through a clean, reliable way to place your logo so it looks crisp, scales well, and is accessible across your site. Start by opening your project in Framer. At the top, switch to the layout tools so you're working with visual components instead of code. From there, choose the image element. Click and drag it onto the canvas and drop it exactly where you want the logo to live. Common spots are the navigation bar, header, or hero area. You can always move it later, so don't worry about perfect placement just yet. With the image selected, choose your logo file. SVG is ideal for infinite sharpness. A transparent PNG also works well. Keep the file small to help pages load fast. Next, adjust the resolution in the right-hand panel to make sure the logo appears crisp on high-density screens. If your source is large, let Framer scale it down. If it's small, avoid scaling up too far to prevent blur. Set the type to control how the image fits inside its frame. Fill covers the frame, fit preserves the full logo, and intrinsic respects the logo's natural size. For logos, fit or intrinsic usually gives the cleanest result. Then refine position so the logo aligns the way you expect, centered, left, or right within its frame. When placing it in a header, align it with other elements for a tidy visual rhythm. Add alt text to make your site accessible and SEO friendly. A short, clear description like company logo or company wordmark is perfect. If needed, use crop to trim extra white space around the logo so spacing feels intentional. Keep the aspect ratio locked to avoid distortion. Finally, explore plugins related to images for optimization or quick tweaks that suit your workflow. With everything set, preview your page and resize the canvas to confirm the logo remains sharp and well positioned. That's it, your logo is now added in Framer, looking polished and ready for launch.